This is Jeep Wrangler 2012. So I'm doing the all keys lost using Key Tool Max. This is the key ID 46. So I'll just add the key. I'm not going to do a risky because customers say he already have the key but he didn't find it. He keeps somewhere in the house. And I will just do the 8 key, 718 normal key. Switch ignition on, read pin code, okay, key count, 4 keys already, program new keys, okay. So current key is number 5. You want to match next? No need. Program is complete. So it's like almost it's like 8 key. That's it. This is Wrangler 2011 7 to 18. Do that key or lost key. It is the same. Thank you guys.